Hi guys, welcome back to your psychic space. So today we are going to be doing one of the most interesting topics, something I love again the most, and that is receiving messages from your higher self. Now, exactly what all things that you need to hear या फिर आपको क्या जानने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है आपसे ही या फिर आपके बेहतर version से is what the reading is going to be about. All you need to do is choose one of the files I'm showing on the screen. Whichever files draws you the most is going to be the messages from your higher self. And after you choose one file, all you need to do is go down to the timestamps below I am giving in the description box and click on it. And now I will see you in your reading. Hi, my pile number one. So here is your future self reading. All we need to do is ask the universe exactly what are the messages. Let's ask our cards to connect with all the people who chose pile number one to their higher self and what exactly they need to hear in this video right now. Okay, so yes, we have set the intentions already. Now let's begin. So सबसे पहले we are going to pull out cards for you, which means that हम निकालने वाले हैं कि आप अभी इस वक्त कौन से स्टेज या what is the current scenario that you're facing, ताकि we literally have like a gist of everything. What is your current state is going to be our first card. Second, how connected are you with your higher self? Now, let us ask our cards, how connected are you with your higher self? And what is the message that your higher self would like to give you right now? And may I also have a guidance card for them? Like, this is going to be about your action that you need to take. And then finally, what has been your past patterns or the challenges that you will be facing or you have been facing already, okay? And then your future potential, which means that कि आपके future में और कितना वक्त है exactly to happen everything. And then we are going to ask our cards बहुत ही बाद में वैसे तो ये कि what exactly materialistic and spiritual thing is already that you're okay. आपको पता है जब मैं आपका कार्ड शफल कर रही थी ना उस टाइम पे भी मुझे 4 ऑफ कप का कार्ड आया था विच आई वाज लाइक कि ओके मे बी वो जेन्युइनली किसी और रीजन की वजह से गिरा होगा बट आई हैव टू टेल यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज योर स्टेट राइट नाउ. यू आर नॉट इन एन एक्शन मोड. आप बहुत ज़्यादा इस मोड पर हो कि आप you're just trying to leave everything to the universe and not taking actions जितने एक्शन आपको लेने चाहिए. You want opportunities, that you have opportunities, you literally have opportunities, but it's just you who have decided to not take things and take things. It's literally completely on you. But the problem is you are overthinking a lot. Now जब आप ओवर थिंकिंग कर रहे हो तो उसके बाद में आप किसी तरीके का कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हो इज वॉट द प्रॉब्लम इज. क्योंकि आपको इट कैन बी फर्स्टली एनी रीजन बिकॉज जो भी कर रहे हो फिलहाल आप एक्शन मोड पे नहीं हो इवन दो यू आर वेरी पैशनेट इवन दो यू वांट टू मेक blah 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 things to work on your favor, blah 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 things to actually happen to you, but the problem is you are not taking the kind of action that is supposed to be taken. And ये बात कहीं ना कहीं आप भी जानते हो कि भले मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ें चाहता हूँ या फिर इतनी सारी चीज़ों के लिए यू नो दिमाग में मेंटली आई एम thinking so much, you're being mentally more exhausted than you actually practically taking practically taking actions. So yeah, that is your first card. By the way, अभी ये कार्ड से आपको ये समझ आ जाएगा कि how is this reading जिसमें आपने क्लिक किया है वो आपके लिए है या नहीं. Because this is the state which I just described और आपसे बिल्कुल relate नहीं कर रहा. You don't think कि मेरे एक भी बोला शब्द you can relate. Just know this reading is not for you. I want you to stop right away because I don't want you to have messages जो आपके लिए हो ही ना, right? So of course this is a future self reading, which means it has to resonate with you right away. All right. So yeah, let's move further. So how connected are you with your higher self? I don't feel that you're too connected because right now you're too much working in your own space right now. You're not that connected with your intuitive part, or because you have your goals. आप literally अपने 20s में हो bro. Like all the people who have chosen this file, you are literally in somewhere about 22 to 30 के बीच का इंसान जिसकी जिंदगी में अभी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं to work upon, which is why आप लोगों के पास इतना वक्त ही नहीं है शायद कि आप खुद के inner world से इतना connect कर सको, and that is why you are not that connected to your higher self, because you have your focus completely on some materialistic thing. It could be your money, it could be your finances, it can be your relationships, it can be your studies, but whatever it is, the point is that you are not that connected because you are somewhere busy in your own life and you're somewhere busy with your own thing for now. All right. Now, third, what is the message from your higher self? And the card is extremely beautiful. It is Wheel of Fortune. This is from your higher self. The very first message that I'm hearing is just work hard because it is going to pay off. And the kind of hard work you're putting in, just know that the God is seeing. Just know that वो सारी चीजें आपके फेवर में eventually the table will turn into your favor and you will be so excited and you will be so much shocked कि यार ये तो मैंने किया नहीं था, ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था, ये कैसे हो गया. So you have lot of unexpected magic being installed for you in the future, जिसके बारे में आपको फिलहाल दूर दूर तक भी कोई आइडिया नहीं है. But your higher self wants to tell you that just keep working, just keep focusing. जो इससे पहले आया कि you are focusing on your thing, just keep the focus in you because the materialistic things that you're chasing is going to be yours very, very soon. That is the message. Now, what is the guidance for you to align with what your higher self wants is Queen of Swords, which means that you really need to take very firm decisions. When it comes to take decisions and talk your heart out or your mind out, you somewhere think that ये बोलना जरूरी है भी या नहीं. You evaluate too much, like too much, and that is what your higher self do not want you to do. Because अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो, आप अभी भी बहुत सारे ओवर थिंकिंग में हो, you're not taking the kind of action. बस बोलो मत, just also do the action. रात में जाग कर सोच कर कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. If you think till 3 o'clock, तो 4 बजे उठ के आप दुनिया नहीं जीत पाओगे. अगर 4 बजे उठना, you will have to sleep at 10 so that you actually reach your goal. क्योंकि रात में जाग के ओवर थिंकिंग करके you are not, अपने वर्ड्स पे कायम रहना सीखो is what the guidance being told to you. You are very intuitive, you are smart and use that smartness in your favor is what. And जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, अगर आपने कोई चीज़ कह दी कि मैं ये करूँगी, ये मैं करूँगा, make sure at any cost you do it. Like कुछ भी हो जाए, just make sure कि आप वो कर ही रहे हो. Because until unless you start doing what you say, you will not be aligned with your path. Because I am genuinely seeing you, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा overthinking की आदत है. आप अभी फिलहाल भी you have been so stuck in your mind कि आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों में एक्शंस नहीं ले पा रहे हो. इट इज़ फ्रॉम योर पार्टनर साइड. आपको लगता है आपके ये दोस्त पार्टनर आपके रिलेशनशिप ने रिसेंटली आपको धोखा दिया है या फिर रिसेंटली लोग आपको छोड़ के गए हैं, जिस वजह से यू आर हैविंग ऑल ऑफ दिस ओवर थिंकिंग. यू हैव दिस ओवर थिंकिंग, बट जस्ट नो दैट इट हैज टू बी either controlled, balanced, or supposed to be handled with more care and efficiency. All right. So yeah, that was your alignment, and let's see what has been your past pattern and what is your real problem. As we just discussed, your problem is your mind, your problem is decision, your problem is not doing things you say, and your problem is also you not seeing things correctly. Like, wait, let me explain and put it in better words so that मैं आपको crack sound ना करूँ. What I really mean is you, अगर आपके जहन में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति होता है ना कि यार ये इंसान तो गलत कर रहा है, you put that in yourself and you do not say it on face. It's like कि यार नहीं, ये तो मेरा आदमी है, मैं इसे बोल नहीं सकती. But that's not how the world works, because if you don't say what you feel, then it gets stuck here. और जब यहाँ पे कोई चीज़ स्टोर हो जाती है ना, तो सबसे पहले तुम्हारा हार्ट चक्र खराब होता है, फिर तुम्हारा थ्रोट चक्र खराब होता है, एंड दिल और कहना अगर खराब हो गया तो तुम कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करोगे? हाउ डू यू थिंक यू विल मैनिफेस्ट anything in your life if you're not aware enough to be your own self, right? So yeah, that is like your past, and this has always been like this. Like आपके लिए decision बनाना या आपके लिए कोई एक particular side लेना या आपके लिए इनफैक्ट आपकी खुद की दिल की सुनना has never been normal for you. ये आपको anxiety देता है कहीं ना करता है, ये आपको परेशान कर देता है कि यार मैं खुद के बारे में कैसे सोचूं, मैं खुद के लिए एक्शंस कैसे लूँ, या मैं कई बार आपने अपने ही लोगों के बारे में नहीं बोला होगा या अपने ही लोगों के बारे में मजाक उड़ा दिया होगा सो दैट यू लुक कूलर. सो देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू प्रोजेक्ट एंड आप चाहते हो कि लोग आपको किसी तरह से देखें, एंड ट्रस्ट मी दैट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू, लाइक दैट इज रियली नॉट हेल्पिंग यू. You really need to know and understand your own self and connect with your own self, because otherwise apart from that there's no chance of you connecting to your higher self. All right, and now not the second last card is, what is the future potential? The moment you decide to be vulnerable, आप सबसे पहले emotionally out हो जाओगे. Like the moment you speak your heart out, you will be so relieved, you will feel so much like a king literally, कि आपको बहुत authoritative महसूस होगा, आपको बहुत ही relaxed महसूस होगा. You see this person is completely in blue. Why? This is showing the utter calmness जहाँ पे ये इंसान पहुंच चुका है. Like literally वो इंसान पहुंच चुका है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसने exactly वो किया जो वो हमेशा से करना चाहता था. So what is the future potential? You will be extremely not drained. आपका जितना भी ड्रेन आप होते हो लोगों के आसपास वो सबसे पहले बंद हो जाएगा, और उसके बाद में you will become even more practical. You will get आपका जो decision making problem है वो भी completely solve हो जाएगा. You will not have problems regarding your love life, especially लोग आपको hurt नहीं कर पाएंगे because आप उन्हें शायद वो space ही नहीं दोगे जहाँ पे वो आपको hurt कर सके. So yeah, that is your future, and why this is all about your emotions. Like, but this is my future card. कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़, ना this is most interesting question, कि आपके future self के पास materialistically and spiritually वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो उनके पास already अभी है, and if you align everything, the entire reading and जो आपको कहा गया हो, जो guidance आपको मिली गई हो, अगर आप उससे align करते हो तो फिर आपका future self, let's take this as a message from your future self because this is the jumper card. So okay, so what is the materialistic thing that pile number one's future self already have? What is that something that pile number one का future self already have? This is materialistic and this is spiritual. आपने grow किया है या नहीं? Alright, so materialistically, oh my god, you will be so, wow, this is amazing. सबसे पहले आप burn होना बंद कर दोगे. Like you will not take any kind of the first materialistic thing you'll have is you'll lose a lot of people who was never meant to serve you, and you will get people left in your life जो आपको genuinely आपके लिए push करते हैं, and you will stop people pleasing this person. Your higher self do not please anybody. उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ता, उनको सिर्फ इस बात से फर्क पड़ता है कि मैंने मेरा काम कर लिया एंड इसके अलावा किसी और चीज़ से मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इनको अपने लिए बात करना आता है, इनको अपने लिए चीज़ें बोलना आता है, उनको अपने लिए स्टैंड लेना आता है. What is wrong with you not taking your side? Like I'm not understanding. क्या परेशानी है खुद के लिए कहने के लिए? Anyways, that's not the point. Your higher self is completely saying that just know that I will be passionate enough to work for my own self and not for anyone else. That is the materialistic thing. And by the way, you also have a house. By any chance, if you are manifesting, I just want to let you know that this person have a house, but then this person loves to be alone, and this person love to spend his time not talking to anyone. Like उनको अपना ये ज़्यादा solitude लग रहा है मुझे more than materialistic. Now, what is the spiritual thing you'll have? I have to say it is the card of devil, and it represents that सबसे पहले आपको क्या चीज़ पसंद है आपको वो समझ आ जाएगी, आपको कौन से गॉड पसंद है आपको समझ आ जाएगा, and you will be actually having, you will feel way more connected, like way more connected you are right now. And I have to say you'll be looked upon to, like your God will have an eye on you and you will feel that कि ऐसा सच में है. And wow, you know the message, okay, wait. You know what is the message the higher self really wants to give you literally right now? जिन लोगों पे यकीन किया था, जिन लोगों ने साथ नहीं दिया, I want to say that I have outgrown them and अब मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I am very very self-content. I am happy with myself and my heart is completely, absolutely healed from everything and everyone जिन जिन लोगों ने मुझे हर्ट किया हो. आपके लिए ये कार्ड बहुत ज़्यादा आ चुका है कि यू हैव रिसेंटली बीन हर्ट, जिस वजह से आप चीज़ें नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. I just have to say that God really blesses you. Firstly, God heals your heart because आपके higher self has actually healed their heart. So yeah, that is it for your reading. I hope it would have genuinely given you the kind of message you were meant to receive and it would have helped you in some or the other way. By any chance you would like to have a personal session or personal reading, I will be displaying my contacts here. We can have one-on-one session, and apart from that, please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that I keep delivering more such videos to you and you do not miss any of them. Thank you. God bless you. So, hi my pile number 2. Let's begin your reading quickly. And मैं आपको सबसे पहले बता दूँ, we'll be connecting cards with you first. So my beautiful cards, please connect to all my pile number 2. Please connect with all the people who chose this beautiful pile. And let's begin with your higher self spread. Alright, so I'll be asking a few questions and मैं आपको of course बता दूंगी कि कौन सा question का answer है and what exactly the card has come up for you. So the very first question is, what is the exact state you are in right now? So first card will actually tell you कि this reading is for you or not, क्योंकि ये situation से अगर आप resonate करोगे completely and you feel like कि नहीं मेरे जितने भी situation मैंने list किए उसमें से एक भी आपसे resonate करता है या फिर दो आपसे resonate करते हैं, then just simply know that yes, this is the reading you found, which is completely absolutely for you. Alright, chalo. So next question is, how connected are you with your higher self? So cards, can you please give me a card that represents how connected my pile number 2 are with their higher self? Third question is, what is the message that their higher self wants to give them? What is the guidance for them to actually connect with their higher self? And what has been their pattern all their life, or the challenges that they are facing and not becoming your higher self? And may I also have a future potential which is going to actually tell us कि future में क्या होने वाला है with you, and then we will ask कि वो spiritually कितने align है और कितने नहीं है, but that is a question that we'll take a little later. Okay, let's begin. Yeah. All right, so what is your current state? Your current state is King of Cups, which is telling me that you have had a lot of ups and downs emotionally and financially. मतलब अभी आपकी जिंदगी में काफी फाइनेंशियल अप डाउन्स चल रहे हैं. दूसरा, you are too confused about something in your life और आपको वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. You have support. Third situation is you have support, but वो इतने एविडेंट सपोर्ट नहीं है. बट आपको आपकी जिंदगी में सपोर्ट है, बट यू जस्ट फील लाइक कि नहीं यार, देयर आर वेरी वेरी लेस पीपल, इनफैक्ट देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु एक्चुअली सपोर्ट मी और हैव बीन विद मी इन दिस जर्नी. एंड इसके अलावा आई सी यू बीइंग vulnerable with someone in your life. I just saw a butterfly. You being vulnerable with someone, you just have this one person you trust the most, and the good part is they are loyal to you, so I'm not going to say anything wrong about them. So yeah, these are the situations. ये अगर ये आपके साथ अभी हो रहा है या अभी के current situations में चल रहा है. So I see you. This is the last situation, by the way. This has to resonate the most with you. And the situation is, you have been watching a lot of videos related to growth, your business. You are literally trying to grow yourself, or you're trying to grow in some area of your life. बहुत ही extreme level पे, मतलब सोते हो तो यही सुनते हो. मतलब you have been trying to connect with your higher self too much on your own too. But are you connected with your higher self? I would say no. And the reason being why not, because you are somebody who cannot forget the past. Like you are somebody जिसको जो बस नहीं भूल सकता what exactly happened with them, what was not working in your favor. आप literally बहुत सारे लोगों का you are looking forward, like it's not like you're not looking forward, you're not, because as I told you before, you have been searching how you can improve your life. आप देख रहे हो, आप सब कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, मगर फिर भी आपका एक स्टेप है जो आप पीछे चले जाते हो, आप 2 स्टेप आगे लेते हो, तो एक स्टेप कहीं रहता है कि यार you basically keep tapping into your past energy, you keep tapping into your past self or past situation still, and this is the reason mainly you are not, which is why you, even though you get connected to your higher self, you get disconnected. So you are the pile जो actually में जिसे पता है कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए, और जिनको पता है कि where exactly what exactly maybe your higher self will be doing right now, वो कहाँ होगा, क्या कर रहा होगा, कैसे होगा, because you have been working hard and you know this is what you want and this is how you're going to go. So तो आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर है, आपके पास बहुत कुछ है, बट यू कीप डिस्कनेक्टिंग विथ योर ओन सेल्फ टाइम टू टाइम एंड ऑन वेरी हाई बेस, लाइक हायर स्केल आपके साथ ही बहुत ज़्यादा होता रहता है. Now the question number 3 was what messages your higher self wants to give you, and the card is the High Priestess. Just know whatever skill you're working on, whatever business you're working on, whatever steps you have been taking to improve yourself, or whatever the situation is, just know that you have the answers. Just know that you will be intuitively guided to do it. Like आपको बस पता होगा कि मुझे ये करना है, and even though शायद सराउंडिंग उस चीज़ के लिए अलाउ ना करे, बट यू वुड स्टिल हैव सम इंस्टिंक्ट, एंड द कार्ड्स आर एक्चुअली आस्किंग यू कि आप अपने इंट्यूशन के हिसाब से जाओ. whatever you feel like, however you feel like putting yourself out there, just do it that way. Like simply just do it that way. You don't have to think, sit and be like okay मुझे करना ही नहीं. Overthinking मत करो, just take the step. You are skilled, you are working to build something, and you just know you are going to build it anyways. Like this is the chance you do not want to miss, and your higher self is also telling you do not miss this chance, because you have the skill, you have the knowledge, you have your path, you just have to take actions. That's it. Just take what you feel. Wow, that was amazing. Just take action according what you feel. It's a good answer. I am impressed with the messages. Last is your guidance and alignment. What is your guidance and how can you align? First, start some kind of exercise for yourself. The very first message, the first action you want to take or you have to take is start exercising. You have a lot of things installed in your body and you really need to release that to invest or to build something greater for yourself. Okay? I also see you not believing in people anymore. Like you will be either आपको सबके सच दिख जाएंगे, या फिर आपको you'll overheard lot of things जो आपके बारे में बोला गया हो, आपके लिए कहा गया हो, and how will you align? Just know that this is the ending, whatever the ending was. Can I also see what the ending was, cards? Yes, it is coming from your family. I don't know why, but okay, so you have been investing on a lot of things. Alright, so आपने सबसे ज़्यादा एंडिंग अपने फाइनेंसेस और अपने करियर्स में देखा है रिसेंटली. यू हैव नॉट बीन सपोर्टेड इनफ बाय योर ओन फैमिली और योर ओन पीपल. आपको उतना सपोर्टेड फील नहीं हो रहा है, और अगर आपको सपोर्टेड फील हो भी रहा है तो भी आपको बहुत जज्ड महसूस हो रहा है. सो दैट वाज आवर फर्स्ट मैसेज कि आपको कोई है जो सीक्रेटली सपोर्ट करता है, जिससे आप शायद जो आपके सामने नहीं, जो आपको लगता है कर रहा है और शायद वो कर भी रहा है, बट यू स्टिल हैव डाउट ऑन देम. लाइक फिर भी डाउट है. सो दिस इज लाइक द कन्फर्मेशन कि just know that this is ending. This is a period. The cycle of the not things working in your favor is pretty close to an end, and आपको सिर्फ peacefully आगे बढ़ना है. You just have to surrender yourself. This is the third action that you need to take. Surrender yourself completely, absolutely. You don't have to think about anything else, and then you will automatically reach to your higher self, and there will be no problem with you aligning yourself to them. All right, so now what has been your past pattern? You leave things जैसे ही कोई आपको सर्व करने लगता है, कोई आपको प्रेम देने लगता है, कोई सच्चे इमोशंस दिखाने लगता है, you are so scared of real emotions. यू आर एक्सट्रीमली, आपको बहुत लोगों ने हर्ट कर दिया है जिस वजह से आप उन लोगों पे वो हर्ट निकालना चाहते हो जो एक्चुअली में आपके लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं. एंड दिस हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन योर पैटर्न. आप किसी और को किसी और की गलती की सज़ा देते हो एंड दिस हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन योर पैटर्न, ऑलवेज. एंड it just feels like कि future past pattern और आपका challenge यही है that you just have to know only one thing from this card, and that is you do not have to leave the space you feel safe in. This is all I would say. अपने सेफ स्पेस को मत छोड़ो, अपने आप को आइसोलेट इतना मत करो कि इवेंचुअली यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि ओ ये तो कभी मेरा था ही नहीं. Just don't do it because you and your soul do not deserve it at all. So yeah, now your future self, and the best part is your future self is justice, which is telling me that you will be served with the justice. You will be given the kind of अगर आपको लगता है ना कि कर्मा नहीं होता उन लोगों के साथ जो लोग आपको हर्ट करते हैं, या फिर यू फील that you are never supported by universe, just know that this time you will, like something will happen. and इस बार आपके साथ वही होगा जो आपके साथ होना होगा. ठीक है, ये बात को बहुत ज़्यादा याद रखना कि अगर आपने मेहनत डाली है, आपने मेहनत की है, then it is going to come in your favor. और अगर आपने मेहनत नहीं डाली है, just know that it is not going to happen anyways. So yeah, that is the message from this card specially. Now we are going to see, we are not going to take reversals by the way, और अब हम देखने वाले हैं the important section. Wow. Okay, these are your messages. I think I should have done only the messages part and not like a spread. Next reading will be about the messages, because oh my god, do you see how cards are literally flowing? So our last question and the most important question is, what are the things meant materialistically and spiritually जो आपके हायर सेल्फ के पास ऑलरेडी है, अभी इस वक्त उनके डायमेंशन में या फिर उनके पास अभी एग्जिस्ट करता है. I just hope you would have achieved the goal you were working for. I mean, that is your material. दो कार्ड है. And spiritually, have they grown themselves? Have they grown themselves? All right. Firstly, let's take material. Ooh, you. Oh my god. King of Cups. Like, I mean, oh my god, this is so amazing. By the way, this came reverse, and I said I will not be taking reversals, but this makes so much sense right now because आपका current energy is also King of Cups, and your future self का energy is King of Cups in reverse, which has a message for you. Firstly, just know आपने जिस पे भी emotions invest किए थे, how does not matter how drained you felt, just know that higher self do not invest their emotion on somebody जो उनको serve नहीं करता. He do not spend their time, their emotions on people who do not serve them. They are extremely they are so self-content, I would say, especially emotionally, that एक पॉइंट के बाद में शायद उन्हें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि कोई मेरे साथ है, कोई मेरे साथ नहीं है. You will stop oversharing, you will stop not being yourself, and you will also, by the way, I don't know, for some reason the fish has been attracting me a lot, and I would say that आपके finances will actually not affect you in the future, which basically means you will be wealthy enough कि आपको जो सोचना पड़ रहा था कि ओ मैंने ये नहीं किया है, मैंने वो नहीं किया है, मेरा ये ठीक नहीं है, मेरा वो ठीक नहीं है, आपके हायर सेल्फ को इतना नहीं करना पड़ता. एंड आपके हायर सेल्फ शायद ज़्यादा डिल्यूशन में भी रहना पसंद नहीं करते. बेसिकली यू विल ग्रो एज अ प्रैक्टिकल मैन और अ वुमन. कम्प्लीटली एब्सोल्युटली प्रैक्टिकल हो जाओगे, चीज़ों को अपने हिसाब से देखोगे, समझोगे और उस हिसाब से एक्शन लोगे. एंड आई हैव टू से, बाय एनी चांस if you were somebody who do not have any partner right now, firstly, you're going to meet the love of your life, and you're going to have the most beautiful family. The best materialistic blessing that you're going to have is a fulfilling family to the most extent. Like सबसे ज़्यादा supportive family मिलेगी, सबसे ज़्यादा supportive husband मिलेगा. You are literally you are so happy. Like I wish I could make you see, like just see how beautifully happily they are spending their time with each other. So this is going to be a happy union, and all the people who are in a relationship just expect कि इसी इंसान जिस इंसान के साथ आप अभी हो, you're going to get married to them. Just know you're going to get married. And the best part, you will not just or only be like good in luck. You do not just have luck in your love life, but also in your career perspective, because आप जिस चीज़ का एक्शन फिलहाल ले रहे हो, just know आपके बहुत सारे तीर भले ही वेस्ट होने वाले हैं, बट वो एक तीर लगने वाला है जो आपको एग्जैक्टली वही दे जो आप चाहते हो. One idea, one campaign, one mission is going to make you the person जिसके लिए आपने सबसे 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 ज़्यादा मेहनत की थी. And spiritually, again a reversal, but this reversal is 7 of Pentacles, which is telling me that you will not be evaluating, you will have choices. शायद आपके हायर सेल्फ ने फाइनली एक चॉइस बना लिया है कि यही मेरी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ होगी और ऐसी ही मेरी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ दिखेगी. 7 for spirituality, it's a long journey to walk on, but just know कि at least your higher self has started to work in the spiritual space. So yeah, that is it for your reading. Thank you so much for being here. For one-on-one session, I will be displaying my details here, and I loved your reading, and I hope you did too. Just comment down below your pile number, which pile you chose, and I would love to read your comment. And I hope I was able to deliver the message which was meant to be heard by you today. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that even I feel a little supported and I keep bringing more stuff to you. And my pile number 3. So here is your future spread reading. Let's begin with your reading and let's ask universe, and let's try to connect to your higher self. What is it that they want to convey to you through cards? And if they could talk to you right now, what would they exactly say to you? Okay. Alright, so our very first question to them is going to be, by the way, this card will represent what state are you in, so that you know कि ये आपकी reading है. इस कार्ड से अगर आपने resonate नहीं किया, जिस situations मैंने आपको बताए हैं, then this reading is not for you. I would love to see you in some other reading, or you can go and choose your pile again and just know that you will find your answer, but you need to be intuitive a little bit so that you choose your pile and you try to reach out to your higher self. And our question number 2 is basically, how connected are you, or how connected are my pile number 3 to their higher self? May I have a message from their higher self? Yeah, thank you. A guidance card for them to align with their higher self's energy. What has been their past patterns and the challenges, and what is the future potential? Like everything you do after that, what is going to happen with you? And that is it. इसके अलावा we will be taking one more thing, but वो थोड़े बाद में. Wow, energy काफ़ी अच्छी है आप लोगों की. Okay, oh my god, you literally have 9 of Pentacles and King of Pentacles right now. You are extremely stuck with your finances. You feel unsupported, बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी महसूस कर रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आपको आर्मिन बोलते हैं. घर से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिल नहीं रहा है. People want you to be extremely independent, and you have been given burden जो शायद आप, या फिर responsibility जो आपकी नहीं है, and you are not very happy in the situation or in the state of life you are in right now, is what is coming for you. Especially I see घर पे थोड़ा disturbance, and authority में भी थोड़ा कमी लग रहा है, and recently you have had some kind of a fight or a very very heated argument with someone. Yeah, that is what is coming for you. So अगर ये सारी situation में से आपने resonate किया, then this reading is for you. आपको पता चल चुका है. So now let's begin. How connected are you with your higher self? You are not very connected, but you do receive messages from your higher self through your friends, through somebody who's elder than you, through somebody who like a somebody who have guru ka knowledge is actually tends to deliver a message from your higher self a lot of time. Like आप कॉन्शियसली बहुत कनेक्टेड नहीं हो, बट आपका हायर सेल्फ आपको किसी ना किसी से मैसेज दिलवा देता है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड सर्कल. आप देखोगे कोई सिचुएशन में ना कोई एक ऐसा दोस्त है जो बहुत ही सडनली कोई अलग बात बोल देता है और एकदम से आपको लगता है कि ओ ये बात कैसे बोल सकता है, या फिर और वो उस टाइम पहले तो समझ जाओ कि इट इज़ नॉट देम स्पीकिंग टू यू, इट इज़ देयर हायर सेल्फ का मैसेज कमिंग थ्रू देम बिकॉज यू आर नॉट वेरी कनेक्टेड टू देम. ठीक है. थर्ड, किसी गुरु से. नाउ व्हेन आई से किसी गुरु से, इफ यू आर समबडी हु फॉलो समबडी, बिकॉज आई सी यू एक्चुअली लाइक टू फॉलो पीपल हु आर लिटिल इंटेलेक्चुअल, मतलब आप किसी सदगुरु या किसी सदगुरु, आई एम सो सॉरी, आप किसी गुरु को मानते हो या फिर आप किसी एल्डर को, इफ देयर इज एनीबडी यू रिस्पेक्ट अटॉरली एंड यू थिंक दैट दिस पर्सन हैव लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, तो कई बार उन्होंने अगर आपको कुछ बोल दिया हो एंड उसमें भी अगर आपको एक पॉइंट के लिए क्लिक होता हो कि यार बोला तो सही है, just know that it is not their advice, it is actually message from your higher self being given to you through them because आप तो सुन नहीं रहे. So messages from your higher self. Stop wasting your time with people on situations, and especially on small situations. Stop wasting your energy on small things and start choosing yourself and your energy and start you also have little bit of ego जिस पे आपको काम करने की ज़रूरत है. These are the messages which is actually coming for you, and just know that your hard work will be paid off. So just need you to take actions because this is your guidance and alignment. You need that one step which you are not taking. आप अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा, अगर आपका सिचुएशन बुरा हो जाता है या कोई छोटे प्रॉब्लम आ जाते हैं, आप बहुत देर तक ओवर थिंकिंग करते हो. When I say बहुत देर तक ओवर थिंकिंग करते हो, I mean that you don't take the kind of action you're supposed to, and इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता भी नहीं है बहुत बार, and you just have to take one action, you just have to take one step, and that's what you do not do. It's like you know what your goal is, but still आप अपने गोल को बस देखते रहते हो and कोई एक्शन नहीं लेते हो, and that is not how the life can work. So your biggest guidance is whenever you feel like working on something and whenever you make a to-do list, just know that you need to fulfill that to-do list at any cost. Now what has been your past patterns? Now Four of Pentacles is your past pattern and your challenge, and let me tell you your challenge. Your challenge is you are so exhausted right now, like so exhausted. You doubled out everything and you are completely financially stuck. आपको नहीं लग रहा, आपके लिए फाइनेंशियल का कार्ड बहुत आया है. So I have to say that you have been facing lot of financial issues, lot of financial problems. You can be somebody जो शायद earn भी नहीं कर रहा है फिलहाल, and you do not feel, और अगर आप करना चाहते भी हो तो भी there are lot of problems which is occurring, and which is why you just feel like you are not supported. Now what has been your past pattern? Your past pattern has always been that you overthink about your financial situation. आपकी ज़िंदगी में finances ने बहुत major role play किया है, मतलब your trauma has been connected to your finances, कि आपने financial crisis या फिर financial चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा देखी हैं जिस वजह से you have somewhere lost the hope and you just feel like कि अगर हो भी जाएगा and you are working, कभी कभी आप इतना ज़्यादा ओवर वर्क करने लगते हो so that you become financially stable. कभी कभी आप कुछ भी नहीं करते हो thinking that कि मेरे पास पैसे वैसे ही नहीं आएंगे. You really need to heal your relationship with your finances is what I'm hearing. Okay, now what is the future potential? Your future potential is, please start taking risk. Please start trusting universe, because you want to do everything on your own. You want to this is the only pile, by the way, who do not believe in God that much. You are somebody जो इस बात पे बहुत यकीन करते हैं कि नहीं, कर्मा सबसे बड़ा है and अगर आप काम नहीं करोगे तो आपको anyways कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, which is a correct pattern of thinking, but you should also know the art of surrendering and art of letting go, because until unless you do that, आपको anyways you're not going to receive the kind of blessing you can have when you trust universe. So yeah, that is the biggest message again coming for you, which means that you really need a time जहाँ पे आप सामने वाले को extreme level पे trust कर रहे हो. ठीक है. You really need to surrender yourself. You really need to take a leap of faith. Now this is also representing your future, which means that आपको आने वाले टाइम में ऐसे सिचुएशंस में यूनिवर्स डालेंगे जहाँ पे वो टेस्ट करेंगे कि क्या आप उन पे बिलीव कर रहे हो या फिर आप बस फिर से अंधा एक्शन या फिर गधा मजदूरी के लिए बस तैयार होके बैठे हो. सो लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशंस विल ऑल्सो कम जहाँ पे आपको आपकी क्रिएटिविटी, आपका इंट्यूशन और आपका पीसफुल नेचर दिखाने का मौका मिलेगा. Universe is asking you to just simply take that opportunity. You literally have a start right now. आप एक ऐसे सिचुएशन में डाले जाओगे जहाँ पे आपको लगेगा ज़िंदगी पूरी ख़त्म हो चुकी है, विच मीन्स दे आर ट्राइंग टू टेल यू द लाइफ हैज़, आई एम लिटरली रीसेटिंग योर लाइफ. ऐसा होता ना कि जब फ़ोन ख़राब हो जाता है तो आप सब कुछ उड़ा देते हो. That is what is going to happen with you in the future, and because this is extremely important for you to reach the goal you are seeing for yourself is what I am saying. Now सबके higher self ने messages दिए हैं अलग से. So now we are going to ask cards कि by the way this is our future card. यहाँ ये हमें बताएंगे कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है मटीरियलिस्टिक और स्पिरिचुअल जो आपके हायर सेल्फ के पास ऑलरेडी अभी एग्जिस्ट करता है, एंड वो किस हद तक या फिर किस तरह तक सक्सेस उन्हें एक्चुअली में मिली है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो व्हाट आर द मटीरियलिस्टिक एंड स्पिरिचुअल सक्सेस? Pile number 3, future self has already received materialistic success. 2 कार्ड है. And their spiritual success, have they grown in spiritual life? Have they grown in spiritual life? Okay, so message हम बाद में लेंगे. Oh my god. Okay, wait. What is the materialistic thing? आपके लिए genuinely material का कार्ड आया. You are going to have everything you think of. Like you will have this person, your higher self, have money. Your future self have fame. They have their own money. They have recognition. They have lot of people loving them. They have lot of people not liking them, but they have achieved everything. Is what I'm saying. You have achieved everything because you showed the leap of faith which God asked you right now. इस रीडिंग के बाद में जब आप उस सिचुएशन में डाले जाओगे, आपने ट्रस्ट दिखाया, एंड after that trust your life changed. After the surrender you did, the life changed. And इस वजह से materialistically you're going to have the best sleep time, you're going to have the best amount of money. You think of कि यार ये तो मैं कभी अचीव नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वो सब है. So materialistically you're going to gain a lot of things. Now spiritually this is Page of Sword, which is telling me that you will have lot of alone travels in your, and this is going to grow you spiritually. If you are somebody who loves traveling, which I for some reason don't feel you do right now, but जब आप actually में इस हिस्से में चले जाओगे, your higher self love to travel, love to do spiritual travel. आपको पूरे लोगों से, अपने लोगों को छोड़ के जाके कुछ वक्त सिर्फ खुदा के साथ बिताना अच्छा लगता है. And you are somebody, you have, oh my god, you are okay. If you are a girl, can I just simply give you a message from your higher self? You are pregnant. You're going to have babies. You're going to have you have reached the beauty standards you set from your surroundings. आपने जो ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया था, you have literally achieved all of them. You have achieved the beauty, comfort and the luxury you worked so hard for, and your higher self is literally somebody जिसे animals सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. You are going to do lot of travels जहाँ पे animals होंगे, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे मतलब comfort and luxury became your life, and this is the message your higher self is giving you right now. And apart from that, the only secret message is lot of you have chosen pile number 3, and if you're a girl, just know that you are pregnant, and if you're a boy, just know that your wife is pregnant. Like your future self abhi jab wo connect kar rahe right now in their dimension, they are pregnant. So yeah, that is it. I think this is really sweet. I mean, I loved Palmutri. So yeah, that is it for your reading. If by any chance you would like to have any kind of personal session, then I will be listing my number here, and you can contact me. And apart from that, I would request you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that even I get some kind of online boost. And yeah, that is it for your reading. Thank you so much for being here, and just take care of yourself. I love you so much.